Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the divine fruit. You look good, smell good, taste good. You're rooted in strong roots in positivity, gratitude, love. These are the things that are going to make sure your fruit tastes good. It attracts your people, your community. That's going to want to pick from your tree, learn from your tree, be around you, be in your aura, be around your fire. Make sure that you are a fireplace, not a wildfire that can take up and burn up the entire forest, but a forest fire. A fireplace where we just can come and relax right next to you. As I work to improve and free myself, I strengthen my foundations. My intellect is light. You're a genius. Your heart is warmth. You're making sure you control your fire, your emotions, where don't feel burnt, can't be offended around you. They feel the love and the heat and the comfort just being around you. I know you're talking. I know you know what I'm talking about. It's time to really zone in on that. My soul is strength. You bend but don't break. You're always going to have tests that's going to make sure you become and test you to make sure you come out stronger. When you come out stronger, bigger blessings can come to you because you're able to maintain them. I'm nurtured by the divine sun. The fruit I bear reflects my inner light. And I shine, baby, shine, and I taste good, smell good, and look good. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page with a blessing to you. I love you.